Hi, this is Jason Everett, and this is Assignment 1.1, where we use the 5-step decision-making process to analyze a future decision. So step 1 is to define the decision clearly. My decision is that after I graduate from this class, I would like to write a book on technology. The reasons I'd like to write a book are, one, I enjoy sharing about technology. I'm able to organize and communicate information about technology in an easy, non-threatening way. This endeavor will also help me to become a better writer and communicator, and I'd also like to use this as a platform to expand my consulting and my career. So step 2, some of the possible things to consider in terms of the choices about this decision. So I have a list of questions here. What technologies would I write about? Who is the intended audience? Why is there a need for this? Is there already something out there? Can I write this, or should I consider a ghostwriter? Is there a model I can follow? How could I contact, or who could I contact about publishing, or would I self-publish? What medium would I make this available, or would a publisher decide? Where and how would I market the book? Who would review my work? How much time and effort am I willing to submit to this project? And then the last question I thought of was, how many, or are there any legal issues related to writing about a particular technology? So step 3 is to gather all the relevant information and evaluate the pros and cons of each possible choice. So what I did in this step is I chose a question, what book would I write? And there are really 3 books that I had considered. One is Google Apps for Educators, one is Google Tools for Educators, and another one was Digital Clutter. I did go through the process of doing pros and cons on each of those, but I'll jump to step 4, select the choice that seems to best meet the needs of the situation. And I chose Google Tools for Educators would be the best solutions because of the pros and cons that I had outlined. Some of the pros for this would be there's lots of possible content to draw from. There's a wider focused audience. The content could be more general and easier to comprehend. I have a really good understanding of the content. There's much to draw on already from material that I've already collected and created and researched, and this could easily be transferred to another book. So, step 5 would be to implement a plan of action and then monitor those results, making necessary adjustments. So I have a list of things that I would do to get the ball rolling. The first thing I would do is answer the questions, all those questions I had in step 2, and make sure I knew where I was going. Brainstorm topics, develop an outline, have someone review the outline and make suggestions, start writing the pieces, organize those pieces, have somebody review and organize that organization and make suggestions on that, compile my first draft, have someone review the progress and make suggestions, develop a book proposal, talk to publishers, write the final draft, have somebody review the final draft and correct errors, market it, publish it, and market it. And so those are the steps I went through to analyze a future decision that I have to make. Thanks.